Hello guys, welcome to Tales and Trends. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button for more updates. So guys, there were rumors running social media lately saying that Musa Khawula is dead. And yesterday people thought that this is a lie until Somizi posted this. Rest in peace, Musa Khawula. Your life was a capturing spectacle filled with drama and controversial that kept everyone talking. Even if it wasn't always for the right reason, you had a unique talent for stirring the pot and making headlines a reminder. And while we're on it, guys, Musa Khawula's friend Ino claims that the allegation behind Musa's death are false. She says, "Stop spreading fake news. Any other close friend of Musa, kindly DM me. I have so many people on my contact list who want to help Musa with illegal fees or whatever he's going through. Please reach out if y'all know where Musa is." So guys, with everything going around and Somizi posting that, people are so confused if Musa Khawula is alive or dead, because people are questioning and asking exactly what is happening. But anyway guys, please do comment below, and please guys to subscribe if you haven't done so. Thank you.